Let's take the seat pad for the Mamaroo off by undoing the buttons on the top and the bottom side. Release the straps. Take the straps out of the holes in the seat pad like this. There are zippers on the seat pad that connects to the sidebars. Unzip the seat pad like this on both sides. Machine wash the seat cover with cold water in a gentle cycle and no bleach. Let's attach the seat pad for the Mamaroo Swing. We attach the seat pad to the sidebars with the zippers. Do this for the other side as well. Secure the seat pad with the buttons on the top and the bottom side like this. The button can be a little tricky to connect. Do it on the bottom side as well. Underneath the seat pad and attached to the curve bar, there are two safety straps. Take them one by one and through the holes in the seat pad like this. You can adjust the straps based on your baby's size. By the way, make sure to check our other videos on the review, Bluetooth setup, and disassembly of the 4Moms Mamaroo Swing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.